Hello, World History class. This is Mr. Walker, and I'm going to share with you a tutorial on your assignment. So this is my first time using Screencastify. I'll be using it a lot throughout the year, but this is my first time, so let's see how it goes. So this is World Physical Geography and Nations Research, and there are two things to do on this. One, you're going to label 2 out of 5 maps, and the second thing you're going to do is research your assigned nation. If you don't know what your assigned nation is, then you can go to Clever, and on Clever, let's see, on Clever, I have put different, I put an agenda every Sunday, and on that agenda are different announcements. See this weekly agenda? You can look at it. It says what we're doing on block 1 and then block 2. And down here is classroom seating. And so it can look through and find the different nation that you are. That's where you're going to find your nation. And back to this. Open up the doc, World Physical Geography, and different maps are going to pop up. There's continents of the world, and there are oceans and seas of the world. There are rivers of the world, there are mountains of the world, and here are deserts of the world. Now, you only need to pick 2 of these to do, but you need to do them completely. I'd say the easiest one is continents, right? There are only 7 of them to do. Where are you going to find information? Where you could look on Google if you want to, but what I'd like you to do is look at the atlas, and on the atlas on pages 5 and 6, there is a physical map of the world. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Skip over this. This is a political map of the world. It shows the lines that people have made to make borders on their countries. And this is not. This is a physical map of the world, and it's on. There's the Western Hemisphere on that page on 5, and here's the Eastern Hemisphere on that page. And so you'll look through it. I need to find the 7 continents, so I'm going to go back and forth between my 2 different tabs. I'll say number 1. North America. And so I'll write under 1, North America, like that. For oceans and seas of the world, for example, I'll see these 2 right there. Let's see, oceans or seas. All the way up there. Arctic Ocean is up there. I don't see a sea around here. So what I might have to do is get a closer map of North America, or maybe it's on this side. Oh, it's actually on this side of the world. The Bering Sea is right there. So see, sometimes if you're looking at that side of the world on this map is also the same exact thing on this side of the map. All right. And so we've got the Arctic Ocean and the Bering Sea right over there. So here 3 is Arctic Ocean, 6 is the Bering Sea. Number 1, look through it again. 1 is this ocean, the Pacific Ocean. And you go like that and write in your oceans and seas there. All right, and then finally, you're going to research a nation. So you found your nation from Clever, and then there are all these different things that I want you to find. The name of your nation, paste an image of the flag, a map of the country, who's the chief of state of the government. Where are you going to find all this information? It's all on the CIA website, okay? So you click on that link, and this takes you to the CIA website. And then you go through these different countries, the World Factbook, and you find your country, okay? Let's say it's Argentina. And there's a 1-page sheet that shows you literally all these answers. And so you find out who the president is, and you can just cut and paste it if you want, or just type it up in your Google Doc, and you'll find it all on that 1 page. Okay. All right, and make sure that you take good notes, because I'm going to give a group class quiz on our next meeting. So if you have any questions, you can email me, or you can see me during our live session and ask. All right. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in class.